In Nextbuy, you can create RFX in two ways. Click on the case widget displayed on the dashboard, or click the new RFX button visible in the sourcing module. Regardless of the chosen way of creating the RFX, the window will open. Then fill in the name of the RFX, select the correct currency, define the start and end dates for the offer submission, and then click Save button. Then the system will redirect you to the Settings tab. In General section, select the purchase category and the organizational unit. Optionally, you can also add a short description of the RFX that will be added to the invitation message sent to suppliers. You can change the start and end date of the offer submission in the next section Dates. Additionally, you can complete the planned end date in which the suppliers are planned to be selected, and also define the number of hours by which the system will be accepting offers in spite of the end of RFX. In Advanced section, define the value type of submitted offers or choose the offer currency. Remember that if you choose more than one currency, you have to specify the exchange rate according to which the offers will be converted into a common denominator. Depending on how you will evaluate submitted offers, you can specify whether the offers will be compared by the price or points. If you want to evaluate offers by additional criteria, choose Setting Points. Suppose that you want to compare submitted offers by three criteria: price, guarantee, and quality. You can add it by clicking the New Criteria button and then filling the names. Next, complete the maximum points that the supplier can get in every criteria. To confirm the list, click Accept Criteria button. In View and Offer Points section, specify the main settings in following fields: if supplier have to be logged into the system to submit offer, if the offer has to be submitted on every position in RFX, if the RFX may be visible only for the suppliers who have an account on the platform. Co-workers is the next section in which you can add users who will have the access to RFX. You can specify if each co-worker will have a right to edit RFX settings or to see prices. After filling in the necessary fields in the settings section, click the Next button and go to the RFX form. This section allows you to create the RFX form that allows suppliers to submit an offer. You can add attachments to your form, for example with the technical requirements of terms of cooperation. You can do it in two ways: click Upload button or use the drag and drop function. Remember to make the attachments visible for suppliers by clicking the Publish All Attachments or Publish button visible next to each attachment. To create the RFX form, use the elements on the left side of page or use Finish Template by clicking the Form Template button. Suppose that you want to add short description, price table, attachments from the suppliers, and the question about guarantee period to your RFX form. To do this, use four elements: Add Description, Add Table, Ask Suppliers for Attachments, and Ask Open Question. After that, fill in the necessary information. Remember that you can move and delete all added elements. System allows you to turn between creation mode and preview in every moment. The preview mode shows how the supplier will see the form and which fields should be completed. Save prepared and ready form by clicking the Save button. The last step of creating RFX is choosing suppliers from whom you want to send invitation to submit an offer. To do this, go to the Suppliers section by clicking the Next button. System allows you to add suppliers from base or from outside the base. By clicking the Add Supplier from Base, you can add suppliers from global base of the platform as well as from private company base. You can find the suppliers by using filters such as company name, commodity, or type. Find the additional criteria of searching below. When you choose supplier, you have to click the checkbox near the company name or contact person. Then click the Select button. If you want to add suppliers from outside base, you can do it in two ways. Add a single supplier by completing its name and email address, or add multiple suppliers by completing their email addresses. After that, your RFX is ready to be sent to the suppliers. You can do it by clicking the send button. Before sending RFX, you will see an invitation template that you can edit and change its language. When it's ready, click the send button. Each of the selected suppliers will receive an individual email with the invitation along with a link to your RFX. Thank you for your attention, and we wish you successful transactions on NextBuy platform.